On this episode of Busted Classic Garage, we are going to Super Chevy. So we're going to see a lot of drag racing and even jet cars. Then we're going to talk about a couple engine builds that I got to do in the wintertime, and what in the world am I going to do with this 2.5 gallons of molasses? Stay tuned to find out. Oh yeah, make sure you watch till the end because I'm actually going to announce the winner of the subscriber giveaway. Finally. It's finally fall, and fall in the Midwest usually lasts about 2 days. A couple days ago it was 92, now it's 40 at night. You can't win. Before it gets way too cold because winter is probably a week away, I need to put some paint on this truck. Because for me to continue on the cab corner repairs, I need to throw some epoxy on there. So that's the first thing I got to do. Now, as you guys probably have noticed, there's a huge focus shift that happens in the wintertime, and it goes from Camaro videos back to the C10. So that's good. So you C10 guys, videos are coming. But there needs to be a lot of work done for those videos to get finished. So stay patient, we'll get there. So the second thing is what am I going to do with all that molasses? But first, off to the races! I'm in the race! 5.3 at 293 miles an hour. My ears are bleeding, by the way. Oh, come on, Camaro. Unbelievable. Alright, so let's get to this molasses. What am I doing with 2.5 gallons of molasses? I'm going to remove rust with it. That's the plan. That's why this bucket's here. Now, all the engines that I have been machined already, and they've just been sitting around for way too long. So everything's built up surface rust on it. So there's many ways I can do it, but I think the easiest way would just be dip all the parts, pull them out after a week or two, spray them down, oil them up, and start the engine builds. The engines that I have to build, I have the 400 for the Camaro that needs to be built. That's probably priority number one. Number two, I have my 4.0 Jeep motor that needs to be built. And then I have a 350 that was originally going to go in the C10 that I should probably put together. Now, with winter being right around the corner, I don't know if I'm going to have time to dip all of them because it could be snowing next week. Alright, so with that out of the way, I think it's a good time to finally announce the winner of the 2,500 subscriber giveaway. So let's see who the winner is. Drum roll, please. And the winner is Never Could Figure It Out. The comment says, great channel. I'd like some tips and tricks videos about anything from car related to YouTube related. Definitely stay tuned for that molasses deal because that should be pretty interesting. Why don't you get a hold of me on Instagram or Facebook and we'll make some arrangements and I will send that stuff out to you. So after seeing all those sweet cars at Super Chevy, we felt like we didn't have enough gasoline running through our veins. So straight from the event, we decided to go to a local car show. But when you see a photo opportunity, you gotta take it. Now, I didn't film much at the car show, but we did see one magical vehicle. And that is the Checker Aerobus. At Roadkill Nights, I ended up asking David Freiberger and Mike Finnegan what they would hover convert if they had to. This is kind of what they would hover convert, so they could put all their friends in it and hopefully land safely when the thing breaks down in midair. Remember, it's going to break down most likely.
Yeah,
We're going to be in the air.
I'm trying to think of which vehicle.
You want to be stranded on the longest vehicle.
Yeah.
Longest vehicle.
If you guys want to see that interview, it is right here. Check it out. Until next time.